Hi there, welcome to the new video tutorial on image processing using OpenCV. Today, I'll show you how to resize an image using OpenCV. Image resizing is the process of changing the size of an image while maintaining its aspect ratio or aspect ratio free. In OpenCV, resizing an image can be done using the resize function. Now let's start. Import the OpenCV library for image processing and matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a popular data visualization library in Python. It allows you to create a wide variety of graphs and plots, including line charts, scatter plots, bar charts, histograms, and more. Here we will use it to plot the images. Now let's read using the read function and show the original image. I have one with the name horse.jpg. Here is the original horse image. We will also check the size of the original image using the shape function, and here we got the height of the image and width of the image. The 3 here show the number of channels as it's a color image. Now let's apply the resize function to the image. In OpenCV, you can resize an image using the resize function, which is available in the CV2 module. The resize function also takes arguments. The first argument is the source image that you want to resize, and the second argument is the desired size of the output image. This argument should be a tuple of the new size of the image, in the format of width in the first place and height in the second place. We have the original image of size 500 by 413, and now we want to resize it to 600 by 800 pixels. We can also use a scaling factor to resize the image by keeping the desired size to none. Fx and Fy are optional parameters of OpenCV that control the scaling factor along the horizontal and vertical axes, respectively. Scaling factors Fx and Fy are useful when you want to resize an image by a constant factor along the horizontal and vertical axes. For example, if you have an image that is too large to process, you can use scaling factors to reduce its size while maintaining its aspect ratio. Similarly, if you have a small image and you want to enlarge it, you can use scaling factors to increase its size while maintaining the aspect ratio. In this tutorial, we passed 0.5 to both Fx and Fy, which will resize the image to its half. Scaling factors can also be useful when you want to resize an image to a specific size but you don't know the exact size in advance. In this case, you can use the scaling factors to resize the image relative to its original size. Finally, we will display our result using matplotlib library. The titles variable assumes that there are 3 images: image, resized image, and scaled image, and the titles of these images are stored in the titles list as original, resized image, and scaled image, respectively. The code assumes that there are 3 images: image, resized img, and scaled img, and the titles of these images are stored in the titles list as original, resized image, and scaled image, respectively. The count variable is set to 3 to specify the number of images to display. To display all the images in a single window, we will iterate over each image using for loop. The for loop iterates over the count variable and creates a subplot for each image. The first argument of the subplot function specifies the number of rows, in this case, it is 1, the second argument specifies the number of columns, in this case, it is 3, and the third argument specifies the index of the subplot. Finally, it will display the 3 subplots for each original, resized, and scaled image. We can also check the resized image size using the shape function, and you can note, it's exactly what was expected.